Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Enable USB debugging and set the phone to file transfer or USB tethering mode. This gives the PC permission to see the connection. Plug a known good cable into a direct computer USB port, not a hub, because hubs can block power or data. Once done, unlock the phone and accept any permission prompts. If a dialog asks to trust the computer, tap Allow. These steps remove most basic handshake failures and prepare you for driver and settings checks. Next, focus on drivers and network mapping. Open Device Manager and update or reinstall your phone's USB network driver so Windows recognizes tethering as a network adapter. Then open Network Connections and look for a new Ethernet-style adapter. Enable it if disabled. Make sure no VPN or adapter priorities conflict. Temporarily disable VPN, and if needed, your Wi-Fi adapter so routes prefer the USB link. Once you see the adapter, right-click and diagnose or run the Windows. Finish by testing connectivity. Restart both the phone and PC to apply driver and routing changes, then enable USB tethering again. If the phone still won't provide internet, reset the phone's network settings to clear misconfigured APN or VPN profiles, but remember this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Make sure to test with another USB cable or a different computer to isolate hardware versus device problems, if tethering works elsewhere. The original PC needs deeper driver or firewall fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.